Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Just wanted to update you guys on all my trades today. Put out a video earlier today during active hours trading, just highlighting some of the trades I've made with Ford and Portola. Just to quickly review one more time, did a swing trade with Portola here, and this is a great biotech stock. Still has a pretty important FDA decision coming up about two of its major drugs that it's producing right now. This stock could bounce much higher than the $37.48 it ended today. But again, very highly speculative play. This is probably one of the riskier stocks in my portfolio right now. But you can see on the bottom here, did a little bit of a day trade, or excuse me, a swing trade, May 19th to June 2nd there. Made about $116, $117 or so on that trade. I also have, as you guys know, been doing a lot of trades with Ford. Recently today I did 3 trades. I had highlighted 2 earlier in the day, but I was able to get in and out of one more day trade today. As you can see here, I have 3 day trades here. I tried to do a 4th, but unfortunately could not get the stock bought back again. You can see on the bottom there, I did a day trade here, 550 shares, 11:31, sold off. Just a few minutes later, 11:32. And again, these aren't big day trades. I'm not trying to get home runs with these particular trades. Just trying to do a few trades here and there, a couple percent here and there. Actually, a lot of these trades are a fraction of percent. You can see another day trade here, 550 shares, 11:30. Went ahead and sold off 550 shares at 11:32. Bought back those shares again, 550 to 11:30. Sold back off. This time a little bit higher, 550 shares at 11:33. So made about $36, $37 or so with that day trade as well. So if you figure the $116 or so day trade with Portola and the day with Ford here, the 3-day trades with Ford, it's about $146 or $7 per day. If you figure 5 days of trading per week times 52 weeks, that's almost $40,000 per year just on those very simple day trades with Ford and Portola. And again, I'm not trying to do a lot with these particular day trades and swing trades. I'm just simply holding the stock. If I have the opportunity to sell off in a day trade, I go ahead and do that. If I have the opportunity to do a little bit of a swing trade over a week or so, I do that as well. I'm doing that for many months now here. Ford is 11:35, and I kind of went over this in the last video I put out today. I think there's a lot of potential in Ford as a long-term hold. I think as a contrarian investor, I think there's some potential here. I think the company is currently undervalued. I don't think investors have appreciated the value within Ford here. But again, all companies are valued on what the shareholders think about a company, what the community is willing to pay for a particular stock. So Ford and Portola, by far my largest day trades. I've also been doing some day trades with some other stocks, which I can highlight in some videos as well. But yeah, just those 2 stocks alone, you know, $39,000 to $40,000 per year if I could continually repeat the progress I've done today. You know, the Portola play here, that's a rather large swing trade for what I do anyway. It's not a large swing trade for a lot of investors, but for my portfolio, that's a pretty big swing trade. You know, I can't guarantee I could do that on a consistent basis, but just that swing trade with Portola there, with Ford, overall just 4 day trades today. If I could replicate that daily, you can see the potential moving forward. And that's to supplement the long-term buy and hold strategy that the majority of my portfolio is comprised of. So if you look through my portfolio, it's typically high dividend yielding, large cap stocks from blue chip companies, and most of these are long-term holds. I don't day trade and swing trade with the majority of my stocks. And even with Ford, you know, I'm kind of debating whether to continue doing the day and swing trades with Ford, just because, you know, when I continue doing a lot of those trades, I'm basically preventing myself from benefiting from the tax benefits of long-term capital gains as well as the qualified dividends that can be quite significant. If you fall into the 35% tax bracket, for example, you save 20%, and if you fall in the 10 or 15% tax brackets, you can save 15%, and in between those, you can still save 10% plus on dividend payments as well as long-term capital gains. Buying and selling of the stock itself. So contemplating whether to continue doing the day and swing trades with Ford. Like I said, that's more of a long-term hold, but I like to have a little bit of fun. And again, that's the whole reason I started this portfolio, was to have a little bit of fun day and swing trade with a lot of my stocks here. And I'm also going to be putting in more money into ETFs, index funds as well. I have an E-Trade and Vanguard account that I've been doing very, very well with those funds, beating the performance of my daily portfolio here in the Robinhood portfolio. But again, this is meant to have a little bit of fun with, learn about investing. So I'm definitely trying out some strategies that I do not do with my E-Trade and my Vanguard account. For example, the Portola Play, the 4-day and swing trades. But I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing so far with Ford. I may at one point stop doing with Ford and pick up a different stock. But Ford is just the perfect stock to do day and swing trades with, as it has a very low price. You can buy quite a few shares with not a lot of money. It's a blue chip stock, so if you can't get out of a trade, more than happy to hold that long term. It's got a great dividend yield as well, so if you are stuck in a trade, you're still getting that nice dividend, even though the company overall has not been appreciating to a considerable extent with regards to capital appreciation versus an index fund, even such as something as I've been doing some dividend capture with this SPHD up top here. Another great index fund that I may put some more money into. It's got a monthly dividend. You can see here on the bottom I did a dividend capture for $19.99. Got in and out, made a little profit on the capital appreciation of the stock as well. Similar to what I did with APLE. As you guys know, I just put out a couple of videos describing a dividend capture with this particular stock on the bottom here. It's a real estate investment trust. Did a dividend capture with this as well. Picked up, it's currently not showing, but a $10 dividend payment I picked up. And you can also see here for the market buy and limit sell here, did a swing trade as well to get in and out of that dividend capture, and still made some money on that as well. So supplementing the long-term gains again with day trade, swing trades, some dividend capture, having lots of fun. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on today's performance with the day and swing trades, and really the overall performance you can do with just those trades alone. And again, that's supplementing the overall long-term gains that I'll be getting with the dividends and capital appreciation with the large cap blue chip stocks that have great dividend payments. So just wanted to talk about that today. With that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Again, if you guys have any good video ideas, let me know. If you guys haven't signed up for the Amazon giveaway, do that as well. There will be a link in the description below this video, or you can just go ahead and take a look through my videos. It's video that was just put out recently, so it should pop up in the most recent videos. Amazon giveaway. Put in Robinhood portfolio 10,000. Like the video, make sure you're a subscriber, and when we do the 10,000 subscriber video, maybe in a month or two, depending on how the subscriber rate goes, you'll be eligible for a gift card for Amazon gift card giveaway. So yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.